Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Bit of an electronics project today and a fix. This here is a light out of an ambulance or an ex-ambulance which belongs to my good friend Dave, aka Squeaky Clean Dave. Ambulance ceiling lights, they're like a tricolour, so you've got bright white, dim, and sometimes you've got night mode on these, which is either yellow or red or a lower colour. But it was broken, all the wires had come off. So I stripped it all apart, surface mount LEDs, etc. Rewired it, very delicate, drilled a hole in the aluminium substrate backplate, put cable tie, heat shrink, hot glue to repair where it had previously broken. The light isn't in the best conditions, it's got some cracks in there, but we will get it working. So I'm just going through now, fault finding it, and I've got one side of it to work with the bright white light, 12 volts. AW Services bench power supply DIY build. So that's one side working. But yeah, I thought I'd show you basically. The light is made by a company called, let's have a look. It's the light is an Oceanlumi. That's the actual the actual model of the Oceanlumi light. The manufacturer is in Taiwan. Very good Taiwanese electronics company. It's a Bestlight RVX something, and Oceanlumi. But yeah, surface mount light for a NHS ambulance, and then you can have different mood colours at night. You can turn it down with a different colour, etc. But yep, it's got one side working. Happy with that. I thought I'd share that video with you. If you like this kind of stuff, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, support the channel, press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you for watching.